my friend.
I think I like when it rains.
Who are you, bro?
I'm fine, bro. And you?
Point to.
Let's discussion about internet.
So let me ask you first. What does the internet mean to you?
For me, the internet is like daily companion. I use it for studying, communication, and also entertainment.
Yeah, I totally agree with that. For me, the internet makes everything faster and easier.
But sometimes I feel like depend on it too much.
I understand that, but I think it depends on how we use it. Let's talk about education. How does the internet help you in learning?
Well, from my experience, when I don't understand a lesson, I usually search for explanation videos online.
Some here. I often watch tutorial videos before exam.
Actually, last semester, I learned it more from the internet than from my textbook.
I can I can relate to that, but studying online also needs discipline.
Yes, I agree. Sometimes I open my phone to study, but end up scrolling social media.
Now let's move to communication. How important is the internet for communication in your life?
Yes, this is very important. I often use chat and video call to communicate with friends and my family.
Some here. I have a friend who live far away, and the internet helps you stay connected.
However, sometimes message can be misunderstood.
Yes, I agree. Without facial expression, people can easily misunderstand our words.
Kenex, what's your opinion about social media?
I think social media has both good and bad sides.
Yes, I agree. It's help you share information and express ourselves.
But I slightly disagree when people say social media is always bad.
Yes, it's not always bad. The problem is how long you use it.
Exactly. Once I planned to use social media for 5 minutes, but I turned into 1 hour.
In your opinion, what is the biggest positive impact of the internet?
For me, it's easy access to information.
Yes, I agree. I can find information in seconds.
The internet also creates new opportunities like online business.
Yes, I know someone who started an online shop from home.
But we can't ignore the negative impact.
Yes, I agree. Fake news is a serious problem.
Internet addiction is also dangerous.
Sometimes people focus more on their phones than on real life conversation.
Yes, and that can affect relationship.
So, how can we use the internet wisely?
We should manage our time properly.
And think before sharing information.
Also, we should be respectful when communication online.
Yes, I completely agree with that.
To conclude our discussion, the internet is very useful in our daily life.
Yes, it helps us learn, communicate, and enjoy entertainment.
But we must also be aware of its negative effect.
If you use it usually, the internet can be very beneficial.
Okay, thank you for our discussion today.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thanks, bro.
See you.
See you.